Hello, guys. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Directory brute forcing is a technique used to check a lot of paths on a web server to find hidden pages, which is another name for this. I'm gonna say 2. To find hidden pages. It's either 1 or 2. What? One of the options above. They're busting. Do I need to type it? Oh, well, there we go. What switch do we use for nmap scan to specify that we want to perform version detection? I think it's SC. No, it's SV. My bad. What does nmap report? Is the service identified as running on port 80? That would be the web server. This one specifically, Nginx. No? I'm confused. HTTP? What server name and version of service is running on port 80? So it's Nginx version 1.14.2. Is that the latest version? What switch do we use to specify to go buster we want to perform their busing specifically? Let's see. I would say it's dir. When using dirbuster to dirbust, what switch do we add to make sure it finds PHP pages? It must be extensions, maybe, because it's .php, but doesn't seem like it's that. It's one letter. Is it dash E? Could be dash. Oh, dash X. Is it dash X PHP? Nice. What page is found during our deer busting activities? Yeah, let's run deerbuster deer dash X PHP, and I don't know if I need to add the domain Required flags URL word list is not set. So I need to specify here the let's try the 2.3 medium. Required flags URL word list is not set. How do I specify the URL? Did I answer this before? No. Dear command options. So dash URL or dash U, and then for the word list, it's probably W. All right, we got admin.php. Submit. What is the HTTP status code reported by GoBuster for discovered page? That would be 200, I think. Nice. Now we're gonna go to that page. Oh, there we go. Let's see. HTTP admin.php. Admin. What? That easy. Nice. I mean, these foundation boxes are fun to do. Yeah. Right, let's stop this. Let's create the directory mongod. And here, what was that? Oh, it's the Tor script. Mongod. Right, next. As usual, let's run a remount. And let's try to open it. No website. How many TCP ports are open on the machine? Right, let's wait and see. Scrolled way too up. What is all this? I think there's 2 ports open. Which service is running on 27017? That would be MongoDB 3.6.8. Nmap extracts the databases? Why is this taking so long? Do I have internet? Yeah, it's working fine. It's just the website's not responding. The website is really slow. This is the machine that... Okay, there we go. What type of database is MongoDB? I think it's SQL. No? Okay. What command is used to launch the interactive MongoDB shell from the terminal? Would that be MongoDB or MariaDB? It's probably not this, no. What command is used to launch interactive MongoDB shell from terminal? Let's Google it. MongoDB shell interactive. Is it Mongosh? Yes. Meanwhile, let me see if I got Mongosh installed. No. An interactive shell to connect with MongoDB. Okay, it must be this one. What is the command used for listing all databases present on the MongoDB server? No need to include the trailing. So Mongosh help. And we want to list all the databases. So let me grab databases. Database collection. List, maybe? List of files, no. Let's see. Host, ports, building fill. I feel like it's list DBs, but it's probably not right. No. Hmm. MongoDB, Mongosh list databases. Also, should we try to connect to it? And copy the IP address again. Mongosh, MongoDB. Yeah, but I don't know which database though. But it's probably like admin. Probably should specify the port, which was 27017. Show DBs. I don't think it's working anymore. No, it is. So why is it not connecting? What is the command used for listing out the collections in a database? Show collections. What command is used to dump the content of all documents within the collection flag? I'm still trying to connect though. Flag? Yeah. Why is it not connecting? Is there any alternatives that I can use? Feel like something's broken. Oh, I should have said yes to remove. Okay. No, it's still not connecting for some reason. Mongoose alternative. I don't understand. Why is it not connecting? Should I try to telnet? Yeah, connected. So telnet works. Why does netcat not work? Oh, so netcat also works. But MongoDB? Am I doing something wrong? There's probably no authentication. Right. Mongosh host is this. The port is 27017. Connecting. But then nothing happens. Mongosh stuck at connecting. No, it's not offline. Really? I need to start Mongod? But this version requires at least 8. Server at reports maximum wire version 6, but this version of Node.js driver requires at least 8. I see. What can I do about this? There's no answers. Update your node.js. What? I need to update my node. Okay, I need to get version 2.3.2. That's 2.8.3 though. Yeah. Package equals, so pacman dash s mongosh, and then package equals 2 point, I forgot what the version was. What was the version again? 2.3.2. Target not found. How do I go back? Specified package version. No, that does not work. Unless I have to put it behind. Like this? No. What? That did not work for me. Is it because you can't find mongosh? Right. I think it was this version, I'm not sure. Yeah, no. So pacman dash u, and then mongosh cannot find. Yeah, it's not. Arch downgrade. Gosh. Downgrade. Okay, so downgrade. And then pseudo downgrade mongosh. Oh, nice. Okay, so the version we probably need is something like maybe this one. Meanwhile, what command is used to dump the content of all the documents within collection named flag? Mongosh dump collections. Okay, now we should be able to connect, right? db dot it's probably not that because we need another dot. It could be this. So maybe something like And inside here would be flag. No. Puts maximum wide version 6, but this version of Node.js requires at least 8. Right. I'm gonna ask my friend Claude and see what he says. What do I need to downgrade? You need to downgrade your MongoDB shell. MongoDB. So I need to downgrade MongoDB to 3.6. Is it Mongo? Oh. What would be the name of the package from DB? Also, perhaps I have no control over this, as it's a database for a CTF. MongoDB bin, okay. MongoDB bin. No, it's not working. Or Mongo org shell. That didn't work either. Install the legacy, says. Wait, what? Remove dependencies, sure. That still isn't gonna work. Oh, this pisses me off. It's probably list collections. db.list collections. db.list. No. Something else. I don't know what it is. See the hands. So it must be db.flag. and we want to dump, so fine, maybe like this. Yeah. It's just too bad I can't connect. I'm just gonna use Claude. Can you help fix this, please? Hi, Mongo. Why is he? I only asked him to. Fuck it hell. Asshole. You gave me the flag. I didn't ask for the flag. I didn't ask for the flag. Right. I think we got one more machine left. Yeah, synced. Right. Synced. Just in case. Start the machine. This is gonna be our last machine, and then I gotta go. Right. Let's run a scan. Not this shell. Not this nmap. Where is the default port for resync? Mm-mm-mm. 873. How many TCP? One. What is the protocol version used by Resync on the remote machine? 31. What is the most common command name on Linux to interact with Resync? I don't know, is it Resync? What credentials do you have to pass to Resync in order to use anonymous authentication? Right, let's try to connect to it and see. So user at host destination. Right, so something like this. What would be the destination though? So is it something like this? So like anonymous slash. Probably not. No. Host name. Oh, okay. So it's something like this slash anonymous. What? Where is it getting the anonymous from? That didn't work. Port 22. No. 873. User at. So. Something like anonymous. What do you mean? What? Port 22. How do I specify the port? Dash ports. 873. What? It still says port 22. Why is it trying to SSH? I'm so confused. Okay, let me look up how to connect to rsync. Transferring files. Is rsync just to transfer files? Wait, well, what if we try to SSH? Connection refused. Right, what's the question? What credentials do you have to pass to rsync to use anonymous authentication? Sync authentication. I'm gonna say it's rsync. Rsync, maybe? No. Anonymous anonymous? Or just anonymous, I guess. No? Then which one is it? None? Or is the option to only list shares and files on Resync? Rsync list files. Files from. Okay. So it's like files from? No? Files from. Is it file from? It's not files from. Look at official man sync in your terminal. I'm sure it's files from. What is the option to only list shares in files? Let's see, list shares. List only? There we go. Right, now let's see how to use list only. So it's rsync list only. There's no need to specify any user. Root slash port 837. No, this is not working. Port 837. Rsync. Because it's trying to SSH and port 22 is not open. So yeah, I don't know. Let's run the scan again. So wait, do we have to do rsync dash I mean // unknown module root public flag. Is that gonna download the flag? Okay, how do I list from maybe? Rsync download file. Have to copy. So, do I do... What is that? C... I don't know what stats is, but I don't really care. Path to storage. That would be here. Yeah, that worked. Nice. Okay, I learned something new today about resync. Cool. Should we do one more machine? I don't think I have time though. I don't think I have time. And we did all the VIP tier 0 foundations. I think I'm gonna leave this for tomorrow or the next day that I have time. Funnel is very easy. I'm tempted, but no, I don't have time. I don't think I have enough time to do it. Yeah, we'll leave it for the next live stream.